Hi, today I'll show you what to do if the 12-volt battery in your Suzuki A-Cross runs out. The procedure is very simple and similar to that for a standard battery. You can successfully jumpstart the power of your 12-volt battery by using a similar 12-volt battery from another booster vehicle. But before we begin, we need to ensure that we meet several specific safety conditions. First, you must make sure that you have the car key ready. Keep it with you. During the emergency start, the car alarm may activate and the car could lock itself. So don't leave the key inside the car. Next, open the hood. First, you need to carefully prepare the necessary jumper cables or electrical wires, and then you should proceed to gently lift the protective plastic cover of the vehicle's fuse box to access the internal components. Located right in the corner of this plastic fuse box cover, we can easily find the positive terminal coming from the 12-volt battery. Carefully lift it up and then securely connect it to the external spare battery. Remember to connect the red cable, the positive, to the positive terminal. Next, connect the negative terminal on the spare battery and attach it to an unpainted, fixed metal part. You can find such a part here. Attach the black cable to this part and then to the spare battery. Start the car you will be using. Start your Suzuki A-Cross and keep it running at a steady RPM for 5 minutes to recharge the 12-volt. The battery in your car. After 5 minutes, get into the car. Make sure the gear shift is set to P, press the brake and push the button. Start. When you see the ready indicator on the screen behind the steering wheel, you can drive. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe and a comment.